know, is this the bar gate or a wall? Or am I flying to the sky?
Well, I am Beast Peem.
You are full of diesel. I am full of alcohol. If we crash, explosion is confirmed. Ha ha ha.
Hello, I need to enter the bar.
Move out of my way, you walking wall.
Watch your words.
Yay!
True.
I'll surprise you. Harley Davidson's.
Hey, stop! You are driving recklessly. Have you been drinking?
Me? No, I just had some premium petrol. Hiccup. I mean, energy drink.
Why are you driving in zigzags?
I'm just avoiding potholes, even if they don't exist.
Please blow into this breathalyzer. Let's check.
Why not?
Huh?
You are too drunk to drive. You're under arrest. Stop right there. This is a drunk and drive check.
Huh? Drunk? No way.
Your tires are wobbling. You're not stable.
That's not because I'm drunk. It's just bad suspension. Yeah, bad suspension.
Pull over. We need to test your fuel levels.
Nah, I'm good. I just refueled from a mystery gas station.
You are under arrest. You're too drunk to drive.
Arrest? Oh no, officer. I'm not drunk. I'm just in party mode.
You're coming with us to the station.
Who calls a landline at this hour?
Hello, I am speaking as the Wheelzy Car City Commissioner. Release the sir you arrested for drink and drive immediately. This is my order. Okay, sir. This is just a drunk and drive case.
Why is the commissioner showing so much interest in this drunk and drive case?
Cops, I have urgent work outside. Take care of the station properly. Senior, I arrested a person for drunk and drive, but the Wheelzy Car City Commissioner called and ordered an immediate release. Something is wrong. Who is that person? And why is the Commissioner so interested in him?
Yes, Commander. I know that person. He is the world's biggest drug dealer and the most wanted criminal. Be careful. Anything can happen at any moment.